Hello again everyone. In this video I am going to replace the cPanel certificates, SSL certificates, and I want to replace that with the Let's Encrypt SSL. Why I'm doing this? It's always a good consideration to your server configuration. Let me show you on the server first. As you can see, my SSL has been installed and it works, but let's tell you something else. If I go ahead and just let me copy and paste my password. If I come here to the Manage Auto SSL, as you can see, there is only one provider, cPanel, powered by Sectigo, which is good, but it's not supporting all kinds of domains. So it's better to use Let's Encrypt, which is a free SSL provider in the world, and it's supporting all kinds of domains. So if you have any customers from any other part of the world, so they can use your SSL certificates, and they can automatically just generate SSL for their domain. If you don't provide it, then still it's okay. They can just go ahead, find their SSL certificates from any other place and put it in your cPanel, but that's not going to be automated. But here, the way we're working is the best kind of configuration, which is completely automatic. So I am going to I'm going to install the Let's Encrypt plugin for SSL for your users. For that, should come to this part of this text file. Let me go back here. Should I find it or not? Oh yeah, that's it. You need to first of all, you need to connect your server, like always. Open the SSH, connect your server on port 66 that I changed, and copy the password. I have connected. There is no failure logging. The brute force attacks has been defeated. Alright, then I'm going to install the Let's Encrypt easily. Now you can see, if I just refresh this page, it has been installed in just a few seconds. Now I'm going to change Let's Encrypt. Alright, I agree to the terms of services and save the file. What I mean by saving the file, because everything you do on a Linux server is going to change a configuration of a file. So by just clicking on the save, you have changed a configuration of a file. Here, if you have lots of users on your server, it's a very useful command. You can just click on this and run Auto SSL for all users, which is going to generate SSL certificate for all users of your cPanel, and this is great. But what if my users are using cPanel powered by Sectigo, and now I switch to Let's Encrypt? Does it affect them? Yes, it affects them, but thanks to Let's Encrypt functionality, you can replace all of the cPanel signed certificates with SSL certificate by just copying this command and paste it into the terminal. It has been completely replaced all of my users' SSL to Let's Encrypt. Of course, I didn't have any user, just my host name, and that's okay. If I just go ahead, as you can see, my SSL is yet working, and that's okay. So that's it. That's the main content of this video. In the next video, we are going to configure our PHP. What I mean is php.ini, which is important, or some people say php.ini. That's okay too. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.